Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server. Not the default one from the website from Minecraft.net, but the Bukkit one that has the plugins and all that jazz. So let's get started. So first thing you need the updated version of Java from Oracle or Java, whatever you want to call it. So you can go ahead and install that. It's just from, I'll show you really quick. I'll put a link in the description too, but it's on java.com probably. Java plus U, and then just click free Java download today. I'm sure that'll fix it. So back to Google. Then you're gonna need from Bukkit.org. You're gonna need the next bit, which is the file itself. Now I'm not gonna download it, I just got it. Go to Git Craft Bukkit right here. Okay, and you come right here. Now you're gonna scroll down and get this right here, this file right here. Just click it and download it to your desktop or wherever. This is for Windows, by the way. I just want to point that out. But I guess this is pretty similar to Linux. No, not really at all. And then for my Mac, I'm not sure how to do that at all. So you know, try that out if you want to. So yeah. So get that, and then you're good. So actually, I should. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm gonna open up a file really quick and do something real quick. I gotta paste something in here really quick. There we go. Let's just do that real quick, sorry. So don't forget it. So now, I already got it. So what you're going to do is just drag that thing that you download, which is this thing right here. You're just going to paste it in a folder and just double click it. And this is going to load everything up. And after you do that, you need to go to your task manager. So I get there like this and like that. Okay? If I do Control-Delete, then the recording stops. So I have to do it like this. And you're going to find, it's not going to be here anymore, but like right near here, just say java probably .exe or something like that, and you're gonna end that process. So that's what you're gonna do. Not the update scheduler. For me, it's gonna say Java runtime SE environment or something like that. But for other people, for Windows 7, it's probably not gonna say that. It's gonna say Java java or whatever. So next, we gotta make a new text document actually again. So we're gonna go text document, and we're gonna call this one start. Or run, or whatever you want to call it. You're gonna open that up, and you're gonna get this. Now, I have already half of it right here, but this is not. Do not copy this directly. This is not gonna do it for you. Trust me. This is just you still have to edit this to make sure it works. So this is basically what you're gonna get right here. Now, ignore the top portion, but down here you're gonna have to do some stuff here. Okay. So what this basically saying right here is the path to your java.exe. Which is not true, or well, I'm not sure if it's true yet. So we have to check and make sure it's working right. So let's go to Windows Explorer, or just computer for you guys. And I'm gonna go to local disk. Let's just move this over here. Program files is it 86? No, just program files. And then it's down. Let me move this over here like that. And Java. And JR. Oh, there you go. There's a problem right there. It says JRE6 on there. But now it's JRE7, which is Java 7 now, not Java 6. So you have to take that out, put a 7. So, and then you're going to click that again. Let's see if it keeps bin, and then java.exe. That looks like it. We'll make sure that's actually a exe first, and it is, because it's a Java symbol. I didn't think it would be. So yeah, that's good now. Now this is the RAM you want to start your server off with. So, and that's in megabytes, not gigabytes. Gigabytes, don't put gigabytes. Just leave megabytes. So you gotta convert them. So for 2 gigabytes, 2048. It's 2048. And if I keep going here, let's see, 1024. Oops. And then times 3. 30. Wait, that's not right. Wait, let me just make sure I'm doing this right. 2. Wait, what? What just happened? 1024. Oh yeah, it's 1024. Did I do that right? 24 times 2, 2048, and then plus times, and then plus again. Well, whatever. Okay, you're just gonna put you should just put 2 anyways. 2 is good enough. Depends how good your computer is. If you have like a ridiculous RAM, like 9 or more, then you can put like 5. Okay, but for I have 6, I think, on this, or 8 maybe. I'm just gonna put about 2. 2 is good enough for it. Plus, I'm not even using this anyways, because my internet connection is so slow. So now you're just going to leave that alone. And I Actually, I should make the same just in case. I'm not sure about that one actually. So it's 2048. Just leave it the same. I'll come back if that didn't work. Now you're going to put right here is the location of your, or this area right here, is the location of your craft bucket. It's not even called that, which is first of all. So if it's in a different folder, then you have to put the program path to it. But it's not, so it's in the same folder. So all we have to do really is just change the name of it because it's not called that. Or we can just change the name of it through here, but I don't want to risk it. So craft bucket, it's just called craft bucket, and then hyphen equal sign hyphen 1.4.5, and then hyphen r 1.0. I'm not sure if is Minecraft in 1.4.5 right now. Hope it is. And .jar. So that's good. Is that .jar? Let me check. Yep. So we're good. Now we can go ahead and save. Or actually, you can't just X out. You have to go to File, Save As, to the same folder, All Files, and press .bat. It's going to save a new thing to here. This is a batch file. This runs it basically. This is what's going to start your server up. I'm going to save that just in case. Now let's see if this works. Give it a second here. Yep, there it goes. It's worked. Now it's going to load the 208 recipes, the 27 achievements, Minecraft server version 1.4.5, loading properties, survival, 2556, seed. Now it's just going to go a while actually because it'll prepare a spawn area. But while it's doing that, let's make some stuff. Oh, actually, I'll give you how this works. So, this is how you really need to manage your server. These are the plugins which you throw all your plugins you want in here. So just throw that in there. Put it in there with it, I guess. And world is like just the world. You can toss it if you want to put yours in there. And the world, now then the world to end. So let's say I'll have to sneeze in a second here. Oh man, if I start to sneeze, I really have to push that pause button, or it's gonna bother you guys. The banned IPs. So let's say you have a guy who's really mean, but he has like multiple accounts and you don't know them all. And he'll keep coming back on and terrorizing the server. You can ban his IP address basically, and you can find that IP address when he server. It'll say, it'll say this joined. So that's a good way to go. So you're gonna name him, ban date, ban by until reason. You know what I mean? And if you just don't want to do that and go to the trouble for that, just ban it. You type as much name as this folder. Just if you really don't want, I don't know how that really works. I think you might put that like this thing in here. I'm not sure though that. But just put just like say Mr. Superman 23 or put Robert in there. So there, and you would save it. So. And then he can't get out. Okay, and then next keep going. Ops. This is basically all the people who have, have complete control of the server basically. So I'll put my name in there, so I can show you guys stuff when I get on there. And the server. Okay, that's just ignore that. And then whitelist. So this is if you want to have a whitelist on, you type in here and let's say I only want Superman on and Metamorphic dude. So these only people can get on the server until I enable it, though. So that's how that works. And if we go to Start.bat properties, we have to actually open this with a different program. So you're gonna go like that, open with. Actually, no, you're gonna have to, how you do this again. You're gonna have to open with right up here. Open with. More options. And this is not gonna be that ridiculous for you. There you go. And this is basically your server. So allow nether true, level name world. So if you want to put your world in there, you can rename it to whatever your world is, and it will find that and do that. Enable query, I'm not even sure what that is. Allow flight, so if you want people to fly around with like hacked mods and stuff, you can put true there. Server port 25565. Keep it on that. Do not change that. Level type default. Enable RCON. Not sure what that is. Server IP. Leave that alone too. Max build. Spawn NPCs. Whitelist. So if I want to turn a whitelist on, I can do true right here. If I want to make it so animals don't spawn, I can do false. Snooper enabled. Yeah, it's just like the whatever. And true, you make hardcore. Online mode true, and I shouldn't. PvP true. Difficulty 1. Game mode max players. So if I want to make it like 100 max players, that'd be okay. Spawn monsters. I want to turn that off because it's gonna lag it. View distance, leave that. I guess you can turn it down if you don't really want people to see anything. Generate structures, and then this is what it says below. You know how it says welcome, like the whatever? So I'm gonna say welcome YouTube people, or whatever. Okay, that makes no sense. YouTube help video. Okay, so then you're gonna save that. X out of it. Now this should be done by now, I think. Yeah, it's done. Now you see here, as mine saying can't keep up because my computer is too slow. But we'll see if it works really quick. But first, I want to get my. Oh no, I can just do that. You have to get your default way first of all, if you want to get onto it. Which is you go to I don't want to do that right now. But you're gonna put localhost and that'll open the thing up for you. But your friends are going to type in your IP address, your external IP. So I'd look for that. Now let's load this up really quick. It's in 1.6, so wow. I'm not gonna go on, but you'll see it there. It's gonna say like an X on the version of it, but it's not a big deal. So multiplayer, okay, and server address is localhost. This is for you though. You can only use this. Your friends have to see right here. There it is. Now you can see this hasn't changed yet because all the stuff I edited didn't change it because the server was on when I was doing that. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna stop the server. Stop. You type stop. Press enter, and it's gonna do a whole bunch of crap. It's gonna save the chunks, stuff. Give it a second here. It's gonna say press any key to exit. Now you can leave the. Don't ever press the X up here when you're doing. They'll leave it on. The server will still be on, I think. And you have to terminate the process from the what do you call it? The thing. From the task manager. So let's cancel that really quick. And we'll go into this menu so I can whatchamacallit that. So it doesn't lag so much. Okay, press any key. That's good. Now we're gonna go back into the folder and run it again. Start.bat. And we're gonna see this time now everything's gonna be saved. It won't take as long because I've already spawned the old seeds. Did that really quick. Sorry. Permissions, I don't want to get into that actually, now I think of it. But that's pretty complicated stuff. Might as well just get what's that plugin called? Group Manager for that. Okay, so you see right here, YouTube help video 0 out of 100. There you go. Now for your friends to get on, once we get to that part, you're gonna have to type your external IP again, like I said, and you can get that from easily just going to the internet and typing in what's my external. Your public right there. So your friends are gonna type this in. Type that in. But for me right now, it's not gonna be like that. So whatever. So that's basically for this video. I'll be starting off. Or in a second, I'm gonna start a new one, but they probably will be uploaded different times. But so I'll see you all later, and